Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a quick update on all my investments and show you guys what really makes money nowadays in the cryptocurrency game. And let's get it started. Uh, so as you can see now, I'm on a lending platform. It's called Hashflare. I know many of you might know it because many people have called it a scam or a bitconnect. It's just like bitconnect and this and that. So whether if they really have um, a legitimate business or it's just like a Ponzi scheme as they so called, we don't know. Okay, we don't know who developed these things, and we don't know where this platform really are located in. So but what we do know is that these platforms really can make huge amount of money if you play the game right in a very short period of time. As you know, just like bitconnect, we can see here it's already at $428 per coin, and this is my lending wallet. This is how much I totally earned, and this is my investment. This is more than half. So it's kind of been 1 month, almost 2 months since I made those four uh, investments, and this is how much I've earned. So I already got more than half of my money back, and once uh, I get all my money back, there will be purely profit. So this is like passive income. Every day it's coming in, and we take a look here. This is the lending wallet. So every day I'm getting paid. Like this are my two investments, and for January 3rd, I'm getting paid this much, and January 2nd is this much. So that's a lot of money, and every day passive income just coming in. But I'm gonna show you guys what's even more wonderful than just this passive income, and potentially you don't even need to invest your own money. And I'm gonna show you right now. So as we can see here, this is another lending platform. It's called Hashflare, and we can see the coin price is at $52, and which is huge. I'm gonna show you why. Here we take a look at the ICO. So all those lending platform ICOs are their initial offering price are really low, usually under $1. So you can get in under $1, and you can see here the coin opening October 1st to 30th, so 2017, and it's already it's already past ICO, and many of you, including me, have missed this platform. But it's okay. There are many other opportunities out there, but we just need to know how profitable investing in those ICOs really are. And we can see here this October, throughout October they offer ICO, and coin price was at 90 cents first round, second round, third round, until it finished on October 30th at $1.15. So right now the price, as you can see, once it hit exchange, it just goes up and up and up. And now it's at $52.33. So let's see from October, actually November, because it's October 30th, how much money we can make in 3 months. Like if we invest in initial ICO, so that's 50x our initial investment. Just I mean, let me pull up my calculator. Right, so for example, if you, let's say, invest $1,000, bought 1,000 tokens, okay, and now it's at $52. That's $52,000 okay, in less than 3 months, because now it's only January 4th. So even if you don't land here, you just buy the coin and hold it. After it hits the exchange and price go up and you sell it, you will get $52,000. That's 50x your money. Okay, and this is just one example. If you take a look at the Davor, I know many of you know DAVOR. You can go Google. There's another lending platform. If you invest in Davor's, ICO, and now the coin price is at $96. Okay, from under $1 to $96. That's almost 100x. So if you invest $1,000, in Davor, and now it's $100, that's $100,000, 100x your money. So those money making opportunities are incredible. And after you invest in those ICO, you can after the price go up, you can sell the coin or you can lend it. So if you lend the coin, you're essentially lending with all the profits you have made throughout the ICO instead of your own coin, and you can lend a lot. So for example, if you only have $1,000, right? If you just lend it, you can only lend $1,000 and receive like 1% interest every day. But if you participate in the ICO and after it hits the exchange price go to, like, for example, the war, you hold it for like 2 months and it goes to $100 per coin, you have $100,000. And if you lend $100,000 for, let's say, 1.5% interest every day, that's $1,500 every day for you in passive income, including your capital, which is $100,000. So this is incredible stuff here. And many of my friends I know, that's how they get rich. I mean, they get really rich really fast. I mean, this is a new game here, hands down. And yeah, those lending platforms are good, but if you use your if you have money, you can make a lot of money just through lending. But if you don't have money, or you have only limited budget, and so if you want to make a lot of money, through this platform, you have to make money first, which is through participating in those ICO, and then you can lending through all your profits made in those ICOs, which essentially it's not even your money because you just 100x your money, and and getting paid every day. There's nothing else better than this. So currently I participate in many ICOs, and I will show you guys here. You can see this is called Tenno coin. So basically they are in the process of ICO, and you can see one coin is actually 65 cents, but this is the last round, it already sold out. So right now the next round will be 80 cents, and I already bought like 450 coins. So yeah, you see in the ICO, the coin price are extremely low, and this is incredible opportunities here. And I also invested in platform called Future Cash, and as you can see here, and this platform is also still offering ICO, and the coin price is fixed at $1, so you can get in at $1, but it's gonna be over soon. So if you wanna participate, there's not much time left. This is another platform I showed you guys. That's how much BitAI I have. That's the coin, and it's at 95 cents. And currently, it's still available in round 4, so you can still get in before the price increases. What else? This is also another platform I missed out, but I did do a loan with them, and they've been paying out consistently for 1.5% every day, and it's pretty good. That's how much I earned in interest for 1,600 in initial investment. And yeah, this is a pretty cool lending platform, but you know, the ICO was already way over. So yeah. Goldgate. This is another platform I've been participated in, and I think their ICO is already over. I don't know if you can still buy it or not. But you know, I've grabbed 400 tokens when it was at $1.75. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And they're about to hit the exchange. Will be available in a few days. They will be hit the exchange, internal exchange first, then outside exchanges. So after it hits the exchange, the price will drastically move up, and their target is at, I think, at least $10, $20, and so even if you just sell it right away, you will get your money 10x, 20x right away. But I recommend you hold it for a while, because normally those platforms, their tokens will continue to go up, and that's also how they make their money, because you know, they need to make money and pay for their investors every day through lending. So they have to let their tokens appreciate. So if you ride the wave and you just hold the tokens, it's very likely that it's going to continue to go up, just like you know, what we see in bitconnect, and it's already at $400 in less than a year. Yeah, so in less than half a year, I think. So this is tremendous returns if you even if you just hold the tokens. So yeah, and also some of you asked me about Bitcoin mining. You know, I'm mining with Hashflare also, but you know, they have some problems with their, I think it's what congestions, transfer congestions. So I think the withdrawals are delayed, as you can see here. So I don't know when are they gonna solve this issue, but still they are consistently paying me every day, and this is how much I earned in Bitcoin. And those are the projections. I have 111 terahash. That's about how much dollars? Let me see, $10,000. Yeah, that's roughly, yeah, about $10,000. And they've been paying me this much every day. But one thing I don't like about mining is that you don't get your capital back. You know, the payout rate is pretty high. That's true. But you also, after 1 year, you don't get your initial investment back like other lending platforms. So that's what I think about lending, you know, mining platforms. And those are the projections for 1 year, 6 months, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day. So yeah, you guys can definitely check it out. And so yeah, this is just a quick update for you guys. And you know, I'm really planning to make a killing in those ICOs. And you know, if you want to invest in coins, you need money to invest. And you know, this one way I think is the best way to you know, to multiply your money in a very short period of time. And you know, it's kind of like flipping ICOs, and you flip one and you move on to another one, and another one, and your money is just being multiplied again and again and again. So this is a very great way to generate some revenue and get tremendous amount of profits, in my opinion. So if you guys want to check it out, the links are down below. And you know, feel free to ask me any questions down below in the comment section. Again, thanks you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, because I give out very important information in every video. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.